Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss from the question three-dimensional geometry, the shortest distance between the lines. So two equations will be given there, lines will be given there. So we have to identify the shortest distance between the lines it is. So the question is here follows. The question number 5. The shortest distance between the lines x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z plus 1 by 4 comma x plus 1 by 3 is equal to y by 4 is equal to z by 5 is options 1, A is 1 and B is 1 by root 2 and C is 1 by root 3 and D is 1 by root 6 it is. So A is 1, B is 1 by root 2, C is 1 by root 3, D is 1 by root 6 it is. The shortest distance between the skew lines, it's just lines it is. Okay. Now according to this one is, solution here is the solution as follows here. First of all, it is given as x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z plus 1 by 4. So this can be written as, first of all, we can identify the points first which is passing through this, and as well as their DRs, the DRs of two equations, it is the direction ratios. The DRs of two lines are here is, first one is 2, 3, 4. Let us say it is A, and B is 3, 4, 5. Now we have to identify that is B cross D here is, so B bar cross D bar is equal to, in this case we'll call it as, this is I bar and J bar and K bar it is. This can be written as 2, 3, 4 and this is 3, 4, 5. So therefore this is equal to, here is I bar into, you can take it as I bar into, first of all, this is 15 minus 16 it is. So that will become 3 into 5 is 15 and minus 16 minus j bar into, so 2 into 5 10 minus 3 into 4 is 12, so 10 minus 12 it is, plus k bar into, so 2 into 4 8 and 8 minus 9 in this case. Now that is I bar into, so 15 minus 16 is minus I bar, 10 minus 12, so minus 2j bar, minus into minus it is a plus 2j bar, and here is 8 minus 9 minus k bar it is, so minus k bar. So now I have to identify that, okay, this is the shortcut which I am going through. N cap is equal to means unit vector, so B bar cross D bar by modulus of B bar cross D bar, so that is equal to, so minus I bar plus 2j bar minus k bar divided by under root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square it is. That is equal to minus I plus 2j minus k. So this can be written as it is. You can identify that here is So what happens? Minus I plus 2j minus k by root 6. By root 6 it is. Now in this case what happens here is, we are going to identify that, okay, c bar minus a bar from the points, as a c bar minus a bar will give you in this case. Why? Because that equation which is passing through that. So c bar and a bar, suppose in this case c bar and a bar. What is c bar and a bar is indicates, we know that shortest distance between the skew lines, like that we have here also shortest distance between the lines. Therefore c bar minus a bar is equal to, in this case you see that first one is 0 0 minus 1, and in this case minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 here is. If you are simplifying them, that is j bar plus k bar it is. So j bar plus k bar. I will explanation will give you here is c bar is equal to, first of all I have to identify that points, the equation of a line passing through, the equation of line passing through equation of a line passing through, let us say PQ. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and Q is minus 1 0 0, in this case it is. So the equation of the line passing through, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, Q minus 1 0 0. Equation of a line passing through, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, Q minus 1 comma 0 comma 0, in this case it is. Then what happens? It is the thing which is very clear, that implies it is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, Q minus 1 comma 0. Let us say I have to identify the, okay, distance between these two. So then what happens here is j bar plus k bar will come. Okay, so let us say OP bar. First of all, OP bar is equal to minus I bar minus j bar and minus k bar. OQ bar is equal to minus I bar plus 0 j bar plus 0 k bar it is. Now I have to identify them as c bar minus a bar, like this it is. So what happened here is, just you have to subtract from this, from here to here is. So therefore automatically OQ minus PQ is equal to OQ minus OP. So that is equal to OQ, that is will become minus I bar. Only this is equal to minus I bar will come here is. So minus of OP bar is nothing but what? Minus I bar minus j bar and minus k bar here is. So therefore this is equal to minus I plus I gets cancelled here is. So the j bar plus k bar, like this. Now finally shortest distance is equal to modulus of c bar minus a bar dot n cap is equal to j bar plus k bar dot minus I bar plus 2j bar minus k bar by under root of 6 it is. So that will become here is 1 by root 6. Therefore shortest distance, the required shortest distance is equal to 1 by root 6 is the answer. Okay, thank you.